In this video, I will show you how to factory reset Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser. And once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots to open up this menu, and from here you want to come down and click onto settings. Next, what you want to do once you're on your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side, and if you look towards the bottom, you're going to see the option to reset settings. Give that a click, that's going to take you to a screen like this, and from here you're going to see an option to restore settings to their original defaults. What you want to do is click that option, that's going to open up a window like this. And then from here, all you need to do is click the blue reset settings button, and that's going to go ahead and factory reset Google Chrome. So that's how to factory reset Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.